dance, and we'll show you what we did this week in our class. So we started with a cuddle circle. So we went 1, 2, 3, lift the leader's left 4, bring her in the cuddle, 5, 6, 7, right to right 8. Then make that circle walking, 1, 2, 3, tap 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Lift the left hand and get out, 1, 2, 3, 4, basic 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep. And then for the next move, we did 1, 2, 3. Pizza hand for the leaders. That's your left hand. And you're going to do step, 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 tap until you face away from your partner. So you go step, tap, putting that left hand on your right shoulder. Now this right hand's lifting over the head. Step, tap. Here come for the ladies. Step, tap. Leaders, you want to put that hand on the lady's shoulder and help her through a double turn going this way for 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. And you're done. But that's everything for this week. So remember to subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos like this. And give us a thumbs up if you learned something. And we'll see you next Sunday in class. Bye!